you out.
Because of a guy?
I'm kicking you out to protect you, honestly. Because if you stay here, you're going to probably end up going to jail.
On April 16th, 2023, a Florida sergeant working a bar disorder management call chose ejection over arrest in the first encounter. When the subject returned, his discretion narrowed. This analysis examines 3 questions: whether the preventive policing articulation reflects sound discretionary judgment, whether the trespass after notice framework was correctly applied, and whether the companion liability arrest of the second subject finds adequate doctrinal support.
Guys, be careful, all right?
You be careful.
I will, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Don't go back inside.
But please talk to him because he can't be hitting women and instigating.
You've been
shit
very
in there,
respectful, and I appreciate that. Please take care of your friend.
He can't be hitting women. Like,
No, I get it.
I get he's gay, but he instigated that shit. And like,
I don't care if he's gay or not.
Listen,
That
I know,
doesn't
but
bother me.
it's not about gay. He was drunk.
All right,
he
wait,
said
don't
this
get
is
that,
shut up a
don't
little
get
bit.
that close, though,
Listen
please.
to me.
I'm listening.
What you did, let me talk. What you did
See,
is
now you're
unfair
reasonable. Now you're nice.
because
Talking
he
quietly.
put his hands on me.
Okay.
I didn't even touch him.
Okay.
You kicking
Well, we're
me
going to
out.
kick him out, too.
You kicking me out because of a guy?
Because you're screaming and you don't listen. You got to
Listen
listen.
to me. Listen, please. What's your name? Listen to me.
Sergeant Katita.
Okay, I respect you.
Thank you.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
You kicking me out?
Yes.
Because of a guy that put his hands on
Kicking
me?
you out
Do
because-
you want me?
Battery
Because
right there.
you
You need to arrest that person because he fucking hit her.
All right.
That's.
Can you?
No.
Okay.
So a minute ago you were very quiet.
Shut up,
respectful.
but shut up.
Right
Shut
now-
up. Right
shut
now
up.
you trying to play
Do you want
sides
me
here,
to?
you know?
Do you want me to hit you the way he hit me?
No,
Okay.
that would be very bad.
All right.
That would be a very bad
All right.
decision on your
All
part.
right.
Very
so,
bad.
So you
Okay.
kicking me out because
Yes,
of
I'm
a guy?
kicking you out.
Because of a
I'm
guy?
kicking you out to protect you, honestly. Because if you stay here, you're going to probably end up going to jail.
I want to be his
Okay.
ass.
I get
I
that.
got disrespected.
Okay.
And I don't do fights. I don't.
All right.
I don't fight.
So just leave. Thank you.
leave?
Yes. Just leave.
Nothing, bro.
Get down.
Stop.
Damn.
Stop. I didn't do nothing.
Because you're not listening.
Okay, I'm listening. Please let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. I gave you so many chances. You just don't want to listen.
Stop. Can you please stop?
Give me your
Can you
hand.
please stop?
Get down. Stop it.
Why she's going?
Stop it. Stop
Can you
it.
please?
Put your arm
I didn't
behind
do
your back.
nothing. Stop.
I'm telling you right now, just put your hand behind your back.
Stop. I didn't do
Stop
nothing.
resisting.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
You want to get tasered.
You're arresting me out of my permit.
Would you like to
I
get
didn't do
tasered?
nothing wrong.
Would you like to get tasered?
Can you please stop?
You just hold around.
Bro, can you help me?
Bro, she didn't do anything, bro. Bro, she didn't do anything.
Stop.
Please stop.
Stop it.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're going to end up hurting your arm.
Bro, I didn't do nothing wrong.
I got one.
Bro, can you please?
Ready to
help
line
me
14
out?
surgery, 10-4 reference receiver.
Can you please be on me? Can you
That's
please?
good.
Yo, can you help me? I didn't do nothing wrong. He's arresting me for nothing, bro. I didn't do anything. They're arresting me. Can I please get my
She's
shoes?
going.
I need my shoes.
Nothing, bro.
I need my shoes.
Stop
She
it.
did nothing, bro.
I need my shoes.
She did nothing, bro.
Okay.
She did nothing.
Can you please stop?
Hey,
Stop.
hey,
Can you please?
hey. She did
Relax.
nothing, bro. She did nothing. We girls.
Fair?
Please, yo, please.
Bro,
Get away. Get away.
bro, look at me.
Get away from me.
What did she do?
You got it for a
What
second.
did she do?
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Wait, I need my bag, please. I need my people.
What did I do?
I'm in the front.
What did I do? What did I do?
Stop.
No, I have my keys, everything on there, please. Stop. Yo, can you please come here?
Stop.
Okay, don't
I have my
go
belongings
hard
and
on
everything
me.
on it, please.
I won't. Just hang out.
Can I make a phone call?
I need my phone.
Can I make a phone call?
Front parking lot, just to be,
Alright, I'm here. You
Stop.
don't have to go hard on me. My nails hurt.
Alright, stop.
Bro.
Wait here, I'll take that 911 hang up.
Come on.
Stephanie, I please get my bag and my phone so I can
Just
call
throw
people
cuffs
back
on her.
me, baby. But you know I have to call
Both
people,
going for
bro.
disorder.
How am I gonna get bailed out? What the fuck?
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. What the fuck?
What did we do? You
I gave you guys every chance to just leave.
Can you please put the stuff in the car at least?
Can I get my
What the fuck,
bag?
man? I need my phone and my ID. My phone and my
Get my
ID's right
bag.
there.
Don't
My
worry,
bag in the
we'll
street.
get your bag.
My bag in the street.
They're not.
My bag in the street.
Wait, I didn't do anything. Why am I getting arrested?
These are your cuffs.
Yeah.
Can you grab her bag, please?
Wait, what? What did I do?
Well, I
I
don't
gave you
know,
guys
bitch.
so many
What?
chances.
We left.
What did I do?
We literally left.
No, you didn't. You
Yeah, we
came
did.
back. You kept coming back.
I'm sorry, the car's parked right here.
Oh, well. Oh, you gonna drive?
She's driving.
You're gonna drive? So you're
I'm
gonna
gonna
get a
drive.
DUI?
She's not gonna get.
I'm not drunk.
Then that's really bad. You're not drunk. If you were drunk, at least we'd have an excuse for you.
Stop moving.
These yours?
Yeah. Can I please put them in my car?
Stand still.
I'm sorry. I'm putting the shoe on. You arrested us for nothing. Thank you. Yeah, you told us to leave the lab. We had to come back because we're talking to somebody and you're gonna arrest us for what reason?
It's all on video, don't worry.
Oh, it's okay. Because I'm sure you clicked on when you were arrested.
There you go.
Hey, yo! Can you bail us up? Yeah.
Radio passing 1 Charlie 10-4. Copy, continue.
All right, Jessica. He's got something to tell you, okay?
Jessica, this time you're being trespassed from property. You're not allowed back, okay?
All right. If you come back, you're going to be arrested.
Yeah, I
All
know.
right.
That's your vehicle?
This whole vehicle.
Okay.
But-
It's gonna be left here. We're not
No,
gonna
it's
tow it
just,
or
I don't
nothing.
understand why I'm getting arrested because we wouldn't have
Disorderly conduct.
I know, but we weren't.
We're not arguing about it. Okay, yeah, I'm going to move her over. Hop out.
The analytical core is the officer's discretionary choice not to arrest in the first encounter. Under Atwater versus Lago Vista, 2001, custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible whenever probable cause exists, but the doctrine establishes permission, not obligation. The officer's choice to eject rather than arrest is common law police discretion, reinforced by PERF and IACP de-escalation frameworks. The preventive policing articulation is textbook community-oriented professional judgment. Under United States v. Watson, 1976, an officer with probable cause may effect a warrantless public arrest. When the subject returns after the warning, the trespass after notice framework triggers. Florida Statute 8.10.08, subsection 2 paragraph A, criminalizes continued presence after authorized notice to depart. The predicate elements are documented: explicit prior warning plus acknowledgement plus unauthorized return. The doctrinal pieces lock cleanly into place. Graham v. Connor, 1989, assesses force under objective reasonableness. The verbal taser threat the officer issues during the arrest sequence is doctrinally interesting. The verbal threat itself is not a use of force under Graham, it is communication about potential force. The choice not to deploy is exemplary de-escalation. The threshold for deployment would have been satisfied. The choice to communicate rather than deploy is professional discretion at its most measured.
It hurts.
Alright, just listen to him. Those cuffs are super loose on you. Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. There's nothing you can do about that.
I hate people, bro.
I know. Don't worry about him.
I didn't do anything. I got beat up.
Farrah, just relax. Relax. You were doing
I
just...
didn't even get my hit back.
I know. You were doing just fine in there. Don't freak out now. Listen to what he's doing.
Swap your ankles in front, right?
Don't worry about him.
It hurts.
Just give him 1 second.
Let me.
Don't.
Let me. Okay. But let me. Okay.
It's not hurting you. The more cooperative you are now, and when you get booked in, the faster you'll get out. So don't freak out when you get to the jail.
Bro, I'm more peaceful than you think.
Farrah, don't be calling him bro either. I'm just trying to help you out. Just be as respectful as possible. I'll bring your friend next, all right?
Don't want to do that.
All right, ready? Out here? How long will we be here for? I don't know. Probably 30 minutes, 20 minutes.
Did you see the white African female with a blue, yellow sailor suit that's come on through after?
I wouldn't pay attention.
Okay, okay.
You were getting arrested around me. Like, where are you?
Just bend your arms to the elbows. Give one bit there.
I've never been in Your bag. Bitch, your bag. Your bag, bitch. Where is your bag? We need your bag. Right here. Chill out, bro. Stop moving.
Just Jess, make sure when you go through booking, if she doesn't make it cooperatively, that you do, so you guys can get phone numbers.
Oh no, I'm trying to have her fucking bailed out because she's crazy. She gotta behave. She has to behave. Hey, I got pissed off with you. I'm not trying to fucking stay there for too long. Stop. Be glad that I'm arrested.
Hey, is Sarge still back there? No? Okay. I don't know how long that details till. Might be. I don't know either. I'll figure it out. These cuffs are nice. so loose. So light. Yeah, they're super light. All right, good luck, ladies. Appreciate it.
The officer's second analytically significant articulation occurs at the bag recovery phase. Florida Statute 3:16.193 governs the underlying DUI framework, but the articulation here is preventive, not punitive. The officer is removing the subject partly because allowing her to remain would foreseeably result in driving while impaired. Preventive intervention reasoning is not constitutional doctrine, but it is recognized perf de-escalation practice. The second subject's arrest is doctrinally distinct from the first. She did not have the trespass warning issued to her directly. Her arrest predicate is active interference during the primary arrest. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting officer without violence reaches obstruction, opposition, and active interference. The companion liability framework applies. The same statute that supports the primary subject's resisting charge supports the second subject's interference charge. The patrol vehicle phase contains exemplary administrative communication. Under Pennsylvania v. Muniz, 1990, the routine booking exception covers administrative inquiries during transport. The officer's coaching quote, "The more cooperative you are, the faster you'll get out," falls within Muniz as administrative, not interrogative. The subsequent behavioral coaching is operational professional discretion. The arresting officer earns an A-. Outstanding preventive policing articulation, discretionary refusal to arrest, exemplary verbal taser threat without deployment, and cooperative booking coaching. 3 minor concerns prevent a higher grade. The primary subject earns a D. Return after explicit warning, conditional threat statement, and active resistance during arrest. The secondary subject earns a D- pure self-inflicted arrest through interference, with no underlying complaint or victim status. 3 lessons emerge. First, ejection is a gift, not an insult under Atwater. The officer has constitutional authority to arrest but chooses not to. Second, returning to a posted property triggers everything. Trespass after notice converts your acknowledgement of the warning into evidence against your subsequent return. Third, friendship is not immunity. Interference during a companion's arrest is independent risk under Florida Statute 843.02. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.